i35equipment.com. That's a Komatsu D39 EX Bulldozer, Leo Edition, Comstat 2. Runs and operates good. Legal load machine. Local owner that brought out on consignment with us. Does have the 6-way blade. Full cab, cold working air conditioner. Happy to have you out. Come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator. Or some local ones to come if you like. We are open by appointment only. Just follow me on the calendar. You can also text, email, or fill out form on the website. Happy to have you out. We just want to make sure we're here and have the gate unlocked for you. And if you'd like a Honda quote, we do send equipment all over the country. This being a legal load shouldn't be too big a deal to get shipped to you. Just fill out form on the website, call, text, email, or just fill out the form on the website as well. And we'll share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. We'll pay the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to rent your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Good power. Sounds to be running excellent. No depth required, which is always a great feature. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle head equipment sitting around being underutilized, we know if you get your machinery sold with our consignment sales service. Learn more about that on the website, or if you'd like to give us a call, we're happy to visit with you. Check out the access panels and the engine, then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around inside there. Just sitting right there. This one. This pre-plumb factory for rear ripper set if you decide to add one. I've not seen it myself, but I talked to a mechanic who said it has the hoses that run to the back here that you can hook it to, and it has a handle inside or a spot for a handle if you decide to add one. Decent little here. Pretty nice looking seat in here. Good mirrors. Throttle over here. HVAC is here. Radio's here. It does have speakers, but I don't hear any sound coming from it. It's gonna be how you turn the machine. It's your blade control. Over here is your rear ripper handle. If you decide to add ripper set to it later on. 4861.6 hours. This machine has had some new filters put on it recently, and sounds to be running and operating really well. We welcome you to come look at it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. You always hear a full update on the